Hi everyone, welcome to the interesting session of the data science course. Before we begin, let's first have a quick look at the agenda of the session. So first of all, I'll be starting introduction of the data science, like what exactly the data science is. Next, we'll move to the data science career. So if you're choosing your career in a data science, we'll understand what are the different job profile under data science career path, how to become a data science and machine learning engineer. Next, we'll move to the basic of Python. Here, I'll start from the very basic of a Python and advanced Python as well. Next, we'll move to the statistics and mathematics. Statistics and mathematics are very important role in data science. And next, we'll move to the data analytics, like how to analyze the data. And next, we'll move to the EDA. EDA is the exploratory data analysis. Here, we'll explore the data, we'll understand how it is, and we'll understand by the graph itself. Next, we'll move to the machine learning. Here we'll understand what is machine learning exactly, what are the needs and what are the types of machine learning, what are the types of algorithms, which algorithms we use for which use case. Next, we'll understand the data. As termed data science, first we need to understand what is data exactly. So data is increasing by shaping the system that we interact with every day. Whether you're searching something on Google, using Siri, or browsing your Facebook feed, you're consuming the result in terms of data. It is increasing at a very alarming rate, where we are generating a billion bytes of data. That is a very huge data. Consider there is a 3 billion internet users in the world, a quantity that has tripled in the last 3 years, and 4 billion are cell phones we are using. So lot of data we are generating. This rapid growth has generated an opportunity for new professionals who can make a sense out of this data. So let's move to the data science. What data science exactly? So data science also known as the data-driven science. And data science is a field that uses algorithms, process to examine a large amount of data in order to uncover hidden patterns, generate insights, and direct decision making, and system to extract knowledge or insights from the data in various forms, either structured or unstructured. So we can perform this data for a small amount of data or a huge amount of data. So data science is also called the sexiest job of 21st century. So if you want to switch your career as data science, you should have a great knowledge in mathematics, statistics, how to analyze the data, and in business domain as well. Next, we'll see what are the careers in data science. So there are multiple type of careers. First, we'll see as a data analyst, then machine learning AI engineer, their roles, their job profile, and the data scientist. So let's see what data analysts exactly do. So a data analyst takes data and uses it to help a company make better business decisions. So exactly they take data, they analyze it, they interpret it, and they finalize the comprehensive report. So most entry-level professionals start their career with a data analyst. So all you need to have a bachelor degree and a strong knowledge of mathematical and statistics. Next we'll see what is the machine learning and AI engineer does. So machine learning engineer act as a bridge between data scientists who focus on statistical and model building work and the construction of machine learning and AI. So here what we exactly do is we are training our machines as a human by feeding a data. So by feeding a data, machine will learn how to perform in future. They learn from the past data and based on that previous experience will get the result in the future. Next we'll see what data science exactly does. So data scientists are analytical experts who utilize their skills in both technology and social science to find trends and manage data. They use industry knowledge, contextual understanding, and existing assumption to uncover solution to a business challenge. So let's see if you are using a Netflix day by day to watch movie. You watch movie yesterday, day before yesterday, and you're feeding the data. So based on that, if you will open tomorrow Netflix, you will get a suggestions based on your previous experience. How? How it is happening? How you're getting that suggestions? Because of data science. Next, we'll see what is artificial intelligence. What is exactly? What is the need of artificial intelligence? Now, everything around us is data, deep learning, machine learning, artificial intelligence. So what is exactly the artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is it started from the year of 1959. The first AI laboratory was established this period marked the research era for AI. For the first AI lab where the research was performed is the MIT lab, where is still running till date. Next, the 1960, the first robot was introduced to the General Motors assembly line. In 1961, the first chatbot was introduced, and alright, now we have a Siri, we have Alexa, everything. So everything around us run through a deep learning, machine learning. Since emerging the AI is have found of exponential growth in AI. So artificial intelligence covers the domain such as machine learning, deep learning, neural network, all. So the company like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, all are invested a lot of money in AI because they believe that is the future, and artificial intelligence is rapidly growing both as field of study and also as economy. We'll understand one more example. If you purchase something from Amazon. So in Amazon, if you purchase something in the past, they have record. You fed it data. You gave your experience to them. So by that, if you'll open today, you'll get some suggestions based on your previous experience. And if you book like cab in through a Uber application, so you will get some nearby cab or auto options, and you'll get the money as well, like how much cost you have to pay for your first drive. How that before entering to the cab, how you getting your cost, how their assumption, like what it will be, everything just because of data science and AI. So here we'll see lots of examples in day-to-day life, like driverless car. Google has a driverless car. There is no driver, but still, how it understands where to need to stop, where need to take turn. All those things happening just because of artificial intelligence data science. Next, we'll see forecasting. What forecasting exactly? So you can see the weather. What will be the weather tomorrow? What will be the weather after 2 days? We can see all those predictions, all those results by forecasting, weather forecasting. And image classification. What is image classification? Here you can classify your image. What is dog? What is care, all just because of categorizing your data. If you're using Facebook, in that, let's consider there is a picture, and in that picture you have a 10 friends. So if you just put your cursor in any of the friend, you'll get the name itself. How automatic, you're just popping up, just clicking your cursor over there, you are getting a name. So those things are happening just because of data science and artificial intelligence. Next, we'll see the recommendation system. What is recommendation system? So if we are going to purchase a pack of bread, there you will get options. You can purchase like bread and jam. There you'll get some options or off. That is a recommendation system. They are recommending you what kind of things you can purchase. Machine automation. Now here everything is automating day by day. You can do no need of human efforts. Like there you need to go and or switch off your fan. You can do by your remote itself. Everything is now automatic. So artificial intelligence is intelligence demonstrated by machines, unlike the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals, which involves consequences and emotionality. The distinction between the former and the later categories is often revealed by the economy or acronym chosen. So everything around us is artificial intelligence, and in future also, the day by day, the growth is very high. So in artificial intelligence, we'll see what is the machine learning, deep learning and all. So machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. Deep learning is a part of machine learning. So overall, deep learning and machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. How it is? What are the problems we are facing in machine learning? So we can fulfill by deep learning. So in deep learning, exactly we deal with the text data, images, videos, all those things we can perform. It will just perform by your neurons, like how neurons acting in our mind. Same, it will act on a machine that we will learn in deep learning. Next, what is the artificial intelligence? This is overall the artificial intelligence part. So guys, this is very good time to learn a data science, artificial intelligence to grow your career in data science. This is a very good time. Thank you so much.